fortunate to be having 3 categories. So I will say, as we continue to grow, we will like to have an equality of the boys and the girls in terms of competition.
The position of Anti-Doping Agency of Kenya, that clean sports information needs to start early, so that we provide the young athletes the right information to have the right virtue as a deterrent to engaging into doping. That's why we are here today, to give the right information to our young athletes, to our potential talents, so that when they reach there at high level, elite level, they have the right information and they have the right way on how to avoid engaging into doping.
As a parent, that I'm contributing to nurturing our children's talent, and by coming here, by representing, by being present as they play, makes a big difference for these boys, and it really adds to the motivation as they're playing, and so that in future they have something they can fall back to. Oh, I am super excited. Our team has done so well. I am super proud of the team at the management at Silver Eagles, because we as parents can see how our children have really changed.